Can you believe it? It's July. That means that we are halfway through the year. That means we've got a half year's worth of data in the books. Today I thought I'd show you a little bit about where I go when I play hooky from the office. I'll sit out here and I will open my laptop and I'll get a lot of work. I mean, you'd be surprised at how much work I actually get done out here. It's peaceful, it's quiet, and I can be productive. But enough about me. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Paul Scheer. I'm with the Scheer Bros team at United Real Estate. We help good people buy, sell, and invest in real estate. You are my neighbors and my friends and my past clients. And this is your monthly market update for June 2026. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're looking at Washington Township, Marion County single-family residences. You can see that as compared to this time last year, the median home sales price is up almost 7% to $390,000. Closed sales are at 171. Median days on the market, 5 days. List price to sales price ratio is just almost 100%. Median price per square foot is $200 a square foot. There were 235 new listings, active inventory of 264 homes, and the month supply of inventory, while down from last month, is up substantially 17% from this time last year. A lot of interesting data to take in there, but what I want to focus on is that appreciation rate of almost 7%. So there were a lot of people last year that wanted to buy a house, and some of them pulled the trigger and some of them didn't. The ones that didn't because the interest rates were higher, and the prediction was that the rates that were at that time at about 6.5% were going to go down to maybe 6 or maybe even somewhere in the high 5s. And then there are those who pulled the trigger. Those that didn't pull the trigger, they didn't because the difference on the payment of a $365,000 house at 10% down would be about $200 more, and they figured they could save that $200 a month if they waited. Those that pulled the trigger ended up buying a house at $365,000 that's now worth $390,000. Those that pulled the trigger and bought the house at the higher interest rate, they did have to pay $200 more a month, but they basically made $2,000 a month just living in their house. Who was the winner there? It's pretty obvious. I mean, I know this is all hindsight, but it is something to think about when you're trying to weigh out buying a house now versus waiting until later. Anyway, something to think about, and we'll pick up more on this next month. Thanks.